Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Azure API Management to Logic Apps, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Azure API Management to Logic Apps, start by signing in to the Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure API Management service you wish to connect. In the API Management service, select APIs from the menu on the left. Click on Add API to create a new API or select an existing API to connect. If creating a new API, choose the blank API option for a straightforward setup. Fill in the required fields, including API name and URL suffix. Under API URL suffix, input a unique suffix to identify your API. For the web service URL, enter the endpoint of the Logic app you will be integrating. Once the API details are configured, click Create or Save. Now, navigate back to the API section to view your newly created or selected API. Next, go to the Design tab within the API Management pane. Here, select the Add Operation button to create a new operation. Fill in the operation details, including a display name, and set the request URL. Choose the HTTP method that your Logic app supports, such as GET or POST. In the Request section, configure any necessary parameters or headers. To connect your API to the Logic app, you need to set up the backend. Define the backend service in the backend section by selecting Add a backend. Choose HTTP and provide the Logic app URL as the backend URL. Ensure that you properly configure authentication if required. After defining the backend, return to the operation configuration. In the frontend section, map the incoming request to the Logic app parameters. Also, configure the response section to return the desired output. Once the operation is fully set up, click Save. To test your connection, click on the Test tab within the API Management interface. Here, you can input sample data to see if your Logic app responds correctly. If the API returns the expected results, the connection is successful. Next, make sure to publish your API changes to make them accessible. In the Azure portal, navigate back to the API Management overview. Select the Publish option to apply your changes. Now, your Azure API Management is successfully connected to Logic apps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.